Hello students, welcome back to biology class. Now let us summarize what we have studied in previous video. So, in previous video we have studied population interactions. So wherein we have seen the interaction between the two species. The interaction between the two species can be beneficial, detrimental or neutral, and it is assigned by means for beneficial interaction the plus sign is assigned, and for detrimental or negative interaction minus sign is assigned, and for neutral zero sign is assigned. So we have also seen the tabular form of interaction, that is species A, interaction of the species A with species B, and type of interactions such as commensalism, predation, parasitism, competition, commensalism and mutualism. And these symbols, plus indicates beneficial, minus indicates harmful, and zero indicates neutral interaction. Then we have studied the first type of interaction, that is commensalism, which shows one species neither benefited nor harmed and other species is harmed. And we have seen various examples of commensalism. Then second type of interaction we have studied is predation, wherein one species is benefited and the other species is harmed. And we have studied different examples such as prickly pear cactus, then starfish disaster on the American Pacific coast, second example. Then some species, they have evolved mechanism to protect themselves from predator, and it is called as the camouflage or cryptically colored, for example monarch butterfly. And other examples, moth and this chameleon. Then we have seen that plants, they have evolved with a special mechanism, defense mechanism, by evolving morphological features such as thorns, example in acacia and cactus. Then some poisonous chemical inside, for example in calotropis. And we have seen various examples of predation. Now today we will study competition. The competition, in this competition the interaction between the two species wherein both the species is harmed, and it is denoted by symbol minus minus, sign minus minus. Okay, so here both the species are harmed. Now competitions, as you know that whenever we participate in any sports there is always competition, and as you know that both are harmed. Okay, now here the competition is for prize, for winning. Okay, and wherein both the person fight with each other for the prize and both are harmed. So here तुमका example याद दवरपाक खातीर competition. But in nature the competition occurs for the food and space, for the resources. Okay, so in nature कितें जाता, दोन species मदी competition जाता for the food. Okay, so here both the species are harmed. Okay, so ताकाच कितें म्हणटा आमी competition. Competition occurs when closely related species compete for the same resources that are limiting. Okay, and जे resources limited आसा तेज्या खातीर competition जाता दोन species मदी, ताका आमी competition म्हणटा. Totally unrelated species also compete for the same resources. Sometimes दोन unrelated species एकाच resources खातीर compete करूंक शकता. For example, in some shallow South American lakes, visiting flamingos, these are the birds, flamingos, and resident fishes, okay, the fishes which are found in the ponds or in the lake, compete for their common food zooplankton in the lake. So flamingos also eat zooplankton, and the fishes inside the lake also, they also eat zooplankton. So there is a competition between the fish and the flamingos, which are totally unrelated species. Flamingos are bird and fishes are living in water. Okay, so कॉम्पिटिशन नॉट नेसेसरी की त्याच स्पिशीजामध्ये जावपाक जाय, कोणाय मदीं जावंक शकता. ओके, नाव इन कॉम्पिटिशन वी हॅव डिफरंट टर्म्स, different types of competition such as interference competition, then competitive release, and Gauss competitive exclusion principle. So first we'll study what is interference competition. Here, the feeding efficiency of one species might be reduced due to the interfering and inhibitory presence of the other species, even if resources, that is food and space, are abundant. So हे definition कितें म्हणटा, feeding efficiency of one species. एका स्पिशीजाची feeding efficiency reduce जावंक शकता due to the presence of or due to the interference of other species. दुसऱ्या स्पिशीजा खातीर एका स्पिशीजाची फिडींग एफिशियन्सी आहा ती रिड्यूस जावंक शकता. ऑल्दो फूड एंड स्पेसीस खूब प्रमाणात प्रेझेंट असले सुद्दां जाल्यार ते रिड्यूस जावंक शकता. आता हे कशें जाता तें आमी पळोवया विथ द एग्जांपल. Competition is a process in which the fitness of one species, measured in terms of its R or the intrinsic rate of increase, is significantly lower in the presence of another species. So competition आम्ही R, so what I have already explained to you, that is R is called intrinsic rate of increase. त्याच्या प्रमाणे R value प्रमाणे competition measure करता, and always fittest will survive. Okay, सो तांच्यांनी कितें केलें, इंटरफिरियन्स कॉम्पिटिशन टेस्ट करपा खातीर एक लॅबोरेटरी एक्सपेरिमेंट केलो, and this was studied by Gauss and other ecologists, scientists known as Gauss ecologists. They observed that when resources are limited, the competitively superior species will eventually eliminate the other species. Okay, सो जेन्ना रिसोर्सीस लिमिटेड प्रमाणान आसता, सो तेन्ना कितें जाता, जी सुपेरियर स्पिशीज आसा ती इन्फेरियर स्पिशीजाक एलिमिनेट करतली. ओके, सुपेरियर स्पिशीज डॉमिनेट करतली आनी इन्फेरियर स्पिशीज आहा ती एलिमिनेट जातली, जी फिटेस्ट ना ती. Now example is given here, the Abingdon tortoise in Galapagos Island. Now this example is very important because many times questions have been asked on this example, that is Abingdon tortoise, in board exam paper. So student, please note down. The Abingdon tortoise in Galapagos Island became extinct within a decade after goats were introduced on the island due to the greater browsing efficiency of the goats. So कितें जालें, हें आतां example interference competition आहे. गॅलापगस आयलंडाचेर टॉर्टॉयस जे आसले, एबिंगडन टॉर्टॉयस, ते एक्सटिंक्ट जाले. कित्याक, कोणाक लागून एक्सटिंक्ट जाले? बिकॉज गोट्स वेर इंट्रोड्यूस ऑन दॅट आयलंड, आनी हे गोट्स ते ग्रास बीन खावपाक लागले. यू नो दॅट गोट इट्स ग्रास, आनी गोट्स चड प्रमाणान आसल्या कारणान ग्रास जी आसली ती गोट्सांनी खावन सोंपयली, आनी एज अ रिजल्ट कितें जालें, हे टॉर्टॉयजांक फूड न मेळ्ळ्या कारणान ते टॉर्टॉयस एक्सटिंक्ट जाले, मेले आनी तेंची जातूच ना जाली. सो दिस इज नॉट विदीन अ इयर, इट टेक्स अ डिकेड. डिकेड म्हणजे 10 वर्सांनी तेंच्यांनी पळयलें की ते एबंडंट टॉर्टॉयस जे आसले ते एक्सटिंक्ट जाले. ओके, सो आतां हांगासर कॉम्पिटिशन, इंटरफियरन्स कॉम्पिटिशन, बिकॉज गोट्स आहा ते इंटरफियरन्स केले टॉर्टॉयजाच्या फुडा बद्दल, आनी ते टॉर्टॉयस जे आसा ते एक्सटिंक्ट जाले. तांकां फूड न मेळ्ळ्या कारणान ऑटोमॅटिकली ते एक्सटिंक्ट जाले. Now second type of competition is the competitive release. Here a species whose distribution is restricted to a small geographical area because of the presence of competitively superior species is found to expand its distributional range dramatically when the competing species experimentally removed. Okay, now competitive release म्हणजे कितें? हेतून स्पिशीज डिस्ट्रीब्युशन अफेक्ट जाता इन स्मॉल जिओग्राफिकल एरिया घेतली जाल्यार आमी सो जेन्ना सुपेरियर स्पिशीज आसता तेन्ना इन्फेरियर स्पिशीजाक ग्रो जावपाक दिना आणि इन्फेरियर स्पिशीज केन्ना ग्रो जातली जेन्ना ही सुपेरियर स्पिशीज काडून उडयतले तेन्ना इन्फेरियर स्पिशीज ग्रो जातले और तेजे पॉप्युलेशन वाडटलें. ओके, so to prove that the Cornell's elegant field experiment showed that Cornell scientists he did one field experiment, and his observations showed that on the rocky sea coast of Scotland, the larger and competitively superior barnacle, that is Balanus, dominates the intertidal area and excludes the smaller barnacle Cathamelus from that zone. आता हांकां म्हणटा बॅलनस. यू मस्ट हॅव ऑब्जर्व दीस इन द सी और इन द रिवर. हे तुमी समज खंयच्या ब्रिजाचे न्हंयच्यान गेले सी एस्चुरीज वॉटर. ओके, or if you travel to you cross the Panjim bridge, you will find on that the pillars of the bridge, you will find this growing. So this structure is growing and it is called as the barnacles. Or you will find them under the boats, बोटीच्या पोना असता ते, or you will find them growing on the stones. So हे structure कितें म्हणटा barnacles म्हणटा, and its scientific name is Balanus. This species is called as the Balanus, which is larger, superior, and this species, which one is smaller, is called as the Cathamelus. आता हो Balanus species हा तो dominate करता in that intertidal area on the rocky sea coast of Scotland, आणि ह्या स्पिशीजाचे तो आपले डॉमिनेट करता, and ही स्पिशीज आहात Cathamelus स्पिशीज आहात ती स्लोली ना जाता. ओके, ताजेर तो डॉमिनेट करता. सो स्लोली हेजे पॉप्युलेशन कमी येता Cathamelus स्पिशीजाचे. देन herbivores and plants appear to be more adversely affected by competition than carnivores. Okay, herbivores and plants appear to be more adversely affected by competition than carnivores. Herbivores, as you know, that those who eats the plants, so they sort of affect zata compared to the carnivores. Okay, now third experiment is the Gauss competitive exclusion principle. Very important, Gauss competitive exclusion principle. हाजेरूय क्वेश्चन विचारलेले बोर्ड एग्जामीक. It states that two closely related species competing for the same resources cannot coexist indefinitely, and the competitively inferior one will be eliminated. So हो प्रिन्सिपल कितें म्हणटा, दोन क्लोजली रिलेटेड स्पिशीज आसता जे एकाच रिसोर्सिसा खातीर कॉम्पीट करता, ते लॉंग टायमा खातीर को एक्झिस्ट जावंक शकना, एकामेका बरोबर रावंक शकना, अँड इन्फेरियर वन आसता ते एलिमिनेट जातले, एज यू नो दॅट. ओके, सो इट स्टेट्स दॅट टू क्लोजली रिलेटेड स्पिशीज कॉम्पिटींग फॉर द सेम रिसोर्सीस कॅनॉट को एक्झिस्ट इनडिफायनेटली, जे चड टायमा खातीर ते एकामेका बरोबर रावंक शकना, आनी जो इन्फेरियर आसा तो एलिमिनेट जातलो. ओके, सो to avoid this, so there are some mechanism evolved within the species. It is called as, first one is the resource partitioning. So if two species compete for the same resource, they could avoid competition by choosing different times for feeding or different foraging pattern. So आता हे कशे avoid करतले competition within, so ते कितें करता, resource partitioning करता. म्हणजे सो ते आपलो जो टायम आसा, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल दोन्ही जर स्पिशीज टू डिफरंट स्पिशीज एकाच रिसोर्सा खातीर कॉम्पीट करता जाल्यार ते कितें करतले, जो तेंचो फॉरेजिंग टायम आसा और तेंचो फिडींग टायम आसा तो डिफर करता. से वन विल गो अर्ली मॉर्निंग, देन अदर विल गो इवनिंग और आफ्टरनून. सो दे चेंज देयर टायम ऑफ फीडिंग एंड फॉरेजिंग. सो मॅकआर्थर शो दॅट, सो मॅकआर्थरान एक एग्जाम्पल दिले कशें ते रिसोर्स पार्टिशनिंग करता ते. show that 5 closely related species of warblers living in the same tree were able to avoid competition and coexist due to the behavioral differences in their foraging activities. Now warblers are these birds. These birds are called as the warblers. Okay. So ह्याचे त्यांनी example दिले. So हे different species of warbler, एकाच 5 different species of warbler एकाच झाडाचे for indefinitely time रावपाक लागले by behavioral adaptation. So in the foraging activity, so तांच्यांनी different time choose केलो for their foraging activities. So these are some example of competition. You can see the two, they are fighting, and Balanus species dominates over the Cathamelus species. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any difficulties, please let me know. So in next video we will study parasitism. So read topic parasitism. Thank you.